Welcome to the UBB, and I am doing another episode or another issue of Build the DeLorean, issue 19. We have a whole bag of some parts here to do. So let's just start doing it. So here it is, issue 19. These are all our parts. Looks like there's probably some exhaust stuff here. Ooh, looks like we got a tweezers. This could be like a water pump or something. Get some AP screws, a little piping of some sort. Let's go and see what it says here. Water hoses, water pump, water distribution pipes. So it looks like this all has to do with like engine cooling. All right, so up first, we have this piece. And we got to get them all open. And this piece, which says this is the water pump. All right, these are all plastic. Feel like plastic. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell. I think it's plastic. So first thing is this is gonna go together just like that with an AP screw. Screwdriver out here. What really makes me nervous is that they gave me tweezers. That's just going to go right in there like that. Bring this now this piece is metal. Now these, what we just did here is going to go into this piece. Looks like it's going to go in right here. Like that. And then there's the two holes there with some AP screws. Yep, AP screws. One. That's in there good. Get some other plumbing pipes here. Get this water distribution. This looks like it's going to go fit the little knob there. It's going to go right in that hole here. And you can see that it fits on those screws there. We'll screw down right there with 3 AM screws. Get the AM screws here. get them all started first. There we go. That's in there. What else do we have here? An auxiliary pipe, which is this piece here. It shows that going right on this with a AM screw. If I'm able to do it. There you go. That on there. And then it shows putting this little pipe piece on there, which is right onto that little knob there. Or the upper one. There's two there. You want to go to this top one. Like that. And that's all there is on this issue. So I didn't even need the tweezers at this point, but I'm guessing I'm going to need them coming up. And this eventually will fit on our motor here after we get all the parts on there. Probably like that. So that takes care of that issue. Pretty simple. Looks like the next one's going to be like intake manifolds or something. So that's all we had for that one. It's very simple, straightforward, not much to do. I'll do another one soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.